Today, I want to talk about something that's destroying more marriages than you might think. And it's not infidelity and it's not fighting, it's silence. I'm Leslie Dories, your marriage coach. And I can't tell you how many couples I've worked with who say, we don't communicate, we don't fight, we just kind of coexist. And they say that like it's a good thing, like that they're not fighting, like maybe not fighting is a good thing, but they're not communicating, not so much. But when I dig deeper, what's really going on is they've really just kind of stopped talking about anything important. They'll do the day to day stuff. They're great at co running their household, but there's no conflict, which is great, but there's not really any connection either. And by the way, communication is so related to connection that most couples really just don't even understand how deeply that's connected to. But here's the thing, when you avoid tough conversations to keep the peace, you're actually creating distance because while silence can feel safe in the moment and much safer than getting into an argument, over time, it kills trust, intimacy, and emotional connection. And if your emotional connection has gone by the wayside, probably your physical connection has as well. Um, and good marriage communication isn't about having more conversations. It's about having real ones where both of you feel safe enough to be honest. So if you want to start changing this pattern, I want you to try this. Ask your wife how she's really doing. Then just listen. Don't defend, don't explain, and by all means, don't try to fix her feelings. Just hear her out and validate what she's feeling. You would be amazed at how much connection that one act can create if you do it repeatedly, consistently, daily. So if this hits home, it's time to take a step towards better communication and deeper emotional connection. Because I'm going to tell you, silence may work in the moment, but I can guarantee it will not save your marriage. In fact, it will destroy it bit by bit. I call it the death of a thousand cuts. And what will save your marriage is good communication. And if you're ready to learn how, you can join me for my free workshop that I'm doing. There's still a little bit of time to get in, where we're going to dive deeper into the connection between communication and building real lasting connection. The link for it is down below. And if you miss it this time, just shoot me an email and we'll set up a time to talk. But this is something that you really, really, really don't want to wait on. Because as I said, keeping the peace sounds great, but we all know what happens with appeasement. It generally doesn't work. So hopefully you found this helpful. And until next week, stay loving.